Hi. MAT exam has two modes, that is paper based test, computer based test. Always there is a confusion among you all, like which exam is better or which mode you have to take. So this video will see this in detail, what is similar and what is the difference between these two. First of all, PBT is paper based test, CBT is computer based test. You can take either PBT or CBT, or you can go for both attempts also in the same month. Suppose if you're taking September exam, you can attempt both PBT as well as CBT. Now let us see what is same in these two things. So the syllabus is same, the difficulty level of the exam is same, the scoring pattern is also same. Okay, either you take PBT or CBT, the final score, the percentile is a combination of all the test takers. Either they take PBT or CBT, all the test takers have the same percentile calculation only, and both the tests are conducted in a center. You have to go to the center and take the exam. Okay, it is not home test, you have to go to the center. About PBT, paper based test, we are always comfortable with that. We like to do the calculations on a paper directly, underlining, circling, or doing any rough work on the paper. We are always comfortable with that. And also the navigation, like moving to any other section or moving to the next questions, it is also easy when it is a paper based test. We are always comfortable with that basically. However, you will not be given extra time for marking the answers. Okay, like you have to mark the answers on a OMR sheet, like it is like you can see on the screen. Okay, there is no extra time given for this. If you want to mark about 120 questions, it may take about 15 minutes time. So that 15 minutes is not extra time. It is included in the overall 2 hours duration. Okay, which means ideally you have only 1 hour 45 minutes if it is PBT test. Okay, and also there is a chance for manual errors. You have to mark shade the vowels rightly. Okay, you can't do half shading, or you can't change the answers. That is also there. You can't change the answers. Once marked, it's done, because you'll be marking it in a pen. Okay, so you cannot change the answers, and you have to shade the vowels properly. These are some of the difficult things in the paper based test. Coming to computer-based test, one of the biggest benefit of computer-based test is you can utilize the entire 2 hours time. Okay, like you don't have to mark the answers on a sheet. You can mark it directly on the system. Okay, and if you want to change it, you can change it at the later stage. Suppose you come back and you want to change the answer, you can do that. And there is no possible for manual errors and all, because you're not going to shade it on the OMR sheet. You're going to just click on the system directly. Okay, the one thing is like you cannot underline, you cannot do the calculation directly there on the paper, but you will be given a rough sheet, so there you can do the calculations. The navigation can be easy if you do a lot of practice for online mock exams. You can try our free test, a short test for practicing computer-based test. I mean, to know how the navigation and all there, like So the similar platform you will have in the actual exam also. So you can try the short test to understand the navigation part, like how to move from one question to another, how to go from one section to another, all these things. Ideally, you can take both the attempts. Okay, the fees is minimal only if you take 2 attempts. Even if you can't do in one, the other one can help you. That the previous one experience will let you know to do the better exam for the second one. Okay, so try to book for both the attempts, or otherwise just understand what is PBT and CBT from this video and see which is comfortable for you. Okay, September registration is going on. So make a wise choice, either PBT, CBT, or both. Okay, subscribe to our channel, and if you're looking for MAT coaching classes, you can reach out to us for September exam or December exam, both. Thank you. Bye.